Pipe wrenches come in a range of sizes, typically from 6 inches to 60 inches, each suited for specific applications. Smaller sizes, like 6 to 10-inch wrenches, are ideal for confined spaces or smaller pipes under 1 inch in diameter, commonly found in residential plumbing. Medium sizes, such as 12 to 18 inches, handle pipes between 1 to 2 inches and are versatile enough for most household and light commercial tasks. Larger wrenches, ranging from 24 to 36 inches, are used for industrial or outdoor plumbing tasks involving pipes up to 3 inches. For heavy-duty applications, 48-inch or even 60-inch wrenches provide the leverage needed for large, immovable pipes in construction or utility work. Selecting the right size ensures optimal grip, reduces effort, and prevents damage to both the tool and the pipe.